Another satisfied customer, pleased with her purchase and looking forward to years of enjoyment. That's certainly the way a customer should feel when she purchases furniture or bedding from Macy's. The completion of the sale, though, is really only the first step towards allowing our customer to enjoy her purchase. This video will demonstrate the proper way to handle and load furniture and bedding so it arrives at the customer's home in the same condition as it was on the selling floor. We'll also review some things you can do at the customer's home to ensure an outstanding delivery experience. But before we start, let's take a look at some purchases that the customer will never enjoy and that have cost Macy's thousands of dollars. Thousands of dollars that over a year's time adds up to millions of lost dollars due to improper handling. As delivery experts representing Macy's, you are responsible for loading trucks properly to protect merchandise for transport, whether it's going out on a delivery or coming back as a return. Most facilities process returns before loading the day's deliveries. Whether you take returns back at night or the next morning, all merchandise coming back to the warehouse must be carefully wrapped and protected and accurately labeled and identified. Make sure you indicate the reason for the return or refusal on the return log. Detailed information helps to ensure successful future deliveries or redeliveries. Now it's time to prepare your delivery truck. Make sure the trailer is clean. Sweep it out thoroughly before loading. Consolidate your trash. Keep all cardboard together and put all plastic in plastic bags. Hang straps on the sidewalls so they're easy to get to. Stack enough folded pads at the back of the truck for all of your deliveries and pickups. Before you begin loadout, there are several things you can do to set yourself up for success. First, make sure you have all required tools, spare parts, and spare rails. Restock your parts kit every day. Next, check your supply of delivery commitment checklists and business cards. Every customer on your route must receive these. You'll complete all deliveries in uniform, but you should do loadout in a t-shirt and put your Macy's shirt on afterwards so it stays clean. Before you begin loading the delivery truck, verify the delivery manifest. All of the items listed should be staged for you. If you're missing merchandise or have more items than you show on your paperwork, contact a supervisor. As you are verifying the merchandise, there are several things to watch for. Does the description on the tag match the physical item? Is there anything with potential packaging damage? Is there anything that seems odd to you? For example, a customer receiving a mattress but no box spring. If you see any discrepancies or have any questions, notify a supervisor. Your safety is our #1 priority. Move items as a team to reduce the risk of injury. Ask for help when you need it. Always use the proper supplies to protect merchandise and the proper equipment and technique to move it safely. Never drag or drop merchandise. If you move an item and it makes noise, get help. Furniture should not make noise. Load furniture front to back, bottom to top, heavy to light. Heavy items should be on the bottom with lighter items on top. Load the last stop first and keep customers' items together as much as possible. Merchandise should be protected with padding. Put furniture pads down on the floor of the delivery truck underneath all mattresses or any other items where there is a risk for damage. Items such as glass and marble, dressers, armoires, headboards, and footboards should be secured to the side of the delivery truck with straps. Pay special attention to merchandise flagged as VIC, which stands for Very Important Customer. These are customers who have had multiple exchanges or other issues requiring special attention. We've taken the time to open and inspect these items for quality and want to ensure they arrive in the customer's home the same way they leave the facility. You are responsible to wrap and pad all open merchandise so it's protected for the ride. When you handle merchandise properly, you're setting the stage for a productive day. Before you leave the warehouse, put on your clean Macy's uniform. The uniform identifies you as a Macy's delivery expert when the customer opens their door. It also presents a professional image. Remember, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. The final phase of an outstanding shopping experience is a successful delivery in the customer's home. The most important response we receive from customer feedback is that they expect you to arrive on time within the delivery window. When you greet the customer, identify yourself by name and state that you are from Macy's. Take time to review the delivery commitment checklist. Make sure the customer knows what to expect. Always wear shoe covers and review where the merchandise will be placed before moving any items. We offer special services that differentiate us from other retailers. When it's appropriate, offer to vacuum and place a bed skirt on a new mattress. When you complete the delivery, ask the customer if there's anything else that you can do to ensure that their delivery experience was outstanding. Explain how important it is for us to receive her feedback. Give her the checklist and point out the website and toll-free number she can use to tell us what she thinks. Before departing the customer's home, update Cheetah to indicate a successful, on-time delivery. This information updates the sales check instantly and feeds the Macys.com website, used by customers to track their estimated arrival times. Remember, you are the last impression our customer has of Macy's. By following the delivery preparation, merchandise handling, and customer service principles reviewed in this video, you will differentiate yourself as a delivery expert, ensure more successful deliveries, and provide an outstanding delivery experience that will leave a lasting impression on our customers.